Hey guys, if you saw our last video, you will know that we caught Huggy Wuggy from Poppy's Playtime and we put him in the villain's closet. Well, today's the day that we are going to cut him open. I don't know where Carly is. Normally she's all about this whole cutting open thing.
Hey, can I do it?
Yes, of course.
To all the things he's done to us. Let's go.
That's a little extra, Carly.
You wanna be evil? Why we don't do?
Are you being extra?
I'm not basic like girlfriend.
Why don't we use scissors that actually
We don't
work?
want to touch our patient, so we gotta use like a 39-foot scissors. Get up. You know what? That works. No, that doesn't work.
This isn't going so well, is it?
Shh. Will you cooperate? Evil, vicious villain.
Really?
You know what?
There's Poppy ready to go. Carly, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning my weapons between
Victims? It's a little too much. I don't think big giant plastic scissors are gonna work. But we do have a situation we don't normally. He's very fuzzy, so I think before we operate,
We have to shave.
we have to shave him.
It's right there.
I got my razor. You want to hold him down?
I want to try one.
If it works.
Let me try.
It's not working.
Let me.
Oh, we can't do it that way.
Oh, yes, we can.
Don't ruin it.
Ooh, it's working.
You're not even doing it right. You gotta...
I don't know how to use one of those things.
Hold his head. Sorry if this hurts. Apparently this doesn't work on evil villains' hair, only people's hair.
Ruins all the fun for me. Just shave his face off.
I'm going to shave his face off. Look at those cute little teeth.
I said he has very good dental insurance.
All right, I'll hold him down. See, it's tough. That's why I was going to try to shave his chest.
Ooh. Cleaning my knife between victims. I mean, weapon.
Patients, not victims. They're patients.
Maybe. Ooh, we see that beautiful. It's beautiful.
Whoa. Ah, what is that? What?
Oh!
It's upside down. What is that? Did you see candy and you're just automatically like, candy?
No, not really.
What is that? Ooh.
Watch. It's one of these things.
You look lovely.
Thank you. I
But
feel
that was inside his guts.
I feel fabulous. Should I be concerned? There's a human body piece that can
Yes,
stretch.
you should be concerned that
There's like
2 legs. We got some underwear. We got a butt crack. What?
Wait!
Those teeth look really creepy. You can put that in your mouth too? Why are you so weird? Okay.
There's this body.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my goodness. Ew.
He looks kind of silly now. Look at, he's all flat.
Boom.
It's a very stretchy man in underwear.
Let's stretch it.
Mm.
The head!
What? Did that hurt? Are you okay?
Feel the head!
Oh, that's hard. Okay, I won't let go. You don't let go either. I want to see how far we can stretch him. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Ooh, we should see what's inside of this guy.
It's a good fidget toy.
Is it?
I guess.
Do you want a fidget toy, a man with no shirt on? What's inside
Should
that
I?
guy? Sure.
No, I'm not doing that.
I'll do it.
No, this is weird. Okay. Can we cut his head off?
You are one evil little child. Okay. What is that?
His stomach.
Oh, it's like putty.
Why would you touch that?
I wonder if that's what's inside all these little stretchy things in the putty. We'll put them back together. I am a master fixer of things. I will melt the glue, the plastic. Ha! Now he's got no muscles. He's just got putty, but now he's got no muscles.
He's weak.
He's like, ah, don't eat me.
No, wait, no, this is better. Ah! Oh no!
World.
Look at, he has a double chin now.
You do his legs coming out of his mouth, like Poppy ate him. There seems to be, Carly, there seems to be another pair of feet in here.
That's great. They can twist too.
Let's see what's at the end of these feet. Are you gonna leave the feet for now?
Yeah, I'm scared.
What is that?
It's a donut.
It says donut open Christmas till Christmas. Okay, donut open till Christmas. Well, that's not bad. A little gummy donut.
Let me
I don't know
look.
if I trust it.
You don't do that till Christmas. It's an advent calendar.
Do we look at these?
I don't think we dare to do that. That's.
We got some feet.
Oh, this is something that we shaved off.
Oh, there you go. We got, I don't know what this is. We got a white dress.
A white dress with a red.
A red ribbon.
Oh, let's guess it's Annabelle.
Good guess. I wonder why we hadn't seen her in a while. Good work, Poppy. I wonder if Poppy ate her when he was big. When he was big. And then when she shrunk.
When he shrunk, she shrunk.
Although that means that there was a giant man in underwear running around too. What? Why does she have a thick neck? She's an athlete.
More like a cereal
She's
color.
not that bad, Annabelle.
How about you watching the movie, The Conjuring?
It's too scary. I don't like scary
Then
movies.
why is she not that bad?
I don't know. Maybe she does.
There's something right here.
Something else. No, that's...
Oh, we found a...
Piece of plastic.
Oh, it's beautiful.
All right.
Guys, don't eat plastic. It's not good for you.
Can you give it to Minnie Mouse?
Oh, yeah. She's a doll.
All right. Let's see. What?
Tuna?
Tuna? No.
Cat food? Chicken feast with touch of real milk. Oh, it's liquidy. Ooh.
Chicken feast with a touch of real milk. Creamy delights. Gross. We don't even have a cat to give this to.
Maybe he had a cat.
Carly, the teeth. Cat food? What if he ate the cat lady?
What if he ate a Yeti? With And it took the tongue with him.
I think we did a good job by cutting him open.
Here, they look oddly familiar.
I know, the teeth do kind of...
Here, how about he sucks on it? And it doesn't look like he has a tongue.
I don't know. I don't want to find out.
Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, bye. There's a bubble in my throat.